Bit of a run up now. Show you on the engine bay properly. Fuel pump on. Yeah, the battery's still flat. It's a lumpy thing. You can see it's extremely tidy in here. No funny noises. No smoke, of course. The dynamating all along the engine bay, along the hood lining. Massive exhaust system on this thing. It's actually been set up. There's only a couple of small things to do to go force induction. You can slap a turbo on this sucker. Just got to gap the pistons. She's got flat top pistons in there, upgraded cranks. So gap the piston rings and go a set of kinetic heat gaskets and blow through carb and turbo away. Not that you need in this thing here. It's got a hell of a lot of power just as it is. Fire extinguisher roll cage is polished stainless, so it's a bitch to keep clean, but looks great. It's just no good if you've got kids in the back end and their fingers all over it. That's all suede. Everything works too. All the window winders. You can see it's extremely clean in here. Nice black mags. There you go, this gives you an idea of how often I get a chance to get it out. So, disc brakes all around, all four corners, running a VT brake master booster. As you can see by the way the car's moving around there, she's got quite a bit of a lump, and for the right price I've got a full set of tough mounts to go with her as well. But yeah, no issues idling whatsoever. Now as far as anything I can pick on the body, the only thing I'd be able to pick would be, it's just done back when it was painted, there's a little mark just here, right in that corner. It's barely visible unless you kind of point it out. There's no rust in this thing at all. Right up along the sills, it's all actually really clean underneath. Heavy duty sway bars, lowered suspension, all four. All custom door kickers, as you can see, it's all stainless steel. Down the gutters. Look at that. You'd be pretty hard pressed to find a Commodore of this vintage with these mods in this condition. They just don't come around that often. So yeah, in other words, don't lowball me. I know what she's worth. You know what she's worth. So yeah, as you can see, it's a very, very healthy car. No dramas idling, full MSP electronic ignition. Nothing's been done shortcutted on this. So yeah, the only other thing I probably would pick actually is you can just see a bit of a line here where they've moulded that scoop to the hood. You've got to point it out to people, but you know, it's there, can't deny it. So yeah, that's it, 1979 VB Commodore. Alright, any questions, just hit me up.